Hello dear kids, parents, and learners. Welcome to our channel. It's time to learn English through amazing stories. Each of our videos will help you learn new words in a simple and fun way. So get ready to improve your English step by step with us. Today we have a fun and exciting story that will teach us kindness and also help us learn English words. Let's begin with the lion and the mouse. Once upon a time, in a deep green forest, a mighty lion was sleeping peacefully under a tree. Suddenly, a little mouse ran across his paw. The lion woke up angrily and grabbed the mouse in his claws. "How dare you disturb my sleep? I will eat you," he roared. The poor mouse trembled and begged, "Please forgive me, O King of the jungle. If you spare my life today, I will surely help you one day." The lion laughed loudly. "You, a tiny mouse helping me, the great lion? That's impossible. But still, I will let you go." And he released the mouse. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared and struggled, but could not escape. The little mouse heard his cries, ran quickly, and began to chew the ropes with his sharp teeth. Bit by bit, the net broke, and the lion was free. The lion smiled with gratitude and said, "Little friend, you were right. Even a small creature can help a great king." And so, children, the story teaches us a very important lesson. Even the small can help the great. Never underestimate anyone. If you like our videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. Now let's learn some English words from today's story. First, lion. A lion is a big wild animal with a loud roar. Male lions are called cubs and female lions are called lionesses. Lions are the kings of the jungle. They are strong and brave. Sentence: the lion is very strong. Next, mouse. A mouse is a small rodent with a long tail and pointed ears. Mice are found all over the world. They can be gray, brown, or white. Sentence: the mouse ran quickly. Third, trap. A trap is a device used to catch animals. It can be a pit, a cage, or a net. Many animals get trapped by hunters. Sentence: the lion was caught in a trap. Fourth, kind. Kind means to be good and helpful. It is an adjective that describes a person's behavior or nature. Someone who is kind, always ready to do favors for others. Sentence: the lion was kind to the mouse. Fifth, help. To help means to give assistance or support. It is a verb. We use it when we want to say that we are doing something to make it easier for someone else. Sentence: the mouse helped the lion. Now let's repeat all the words together. Lion, mouse, trap, kind, help. Try to use these words in your daily sentences. And don't forget to learn new words every day if you want to become fluent in English. So friends, this was a story of the lion and the mouse. What did you like the most about the story? Did you enjoy the beautiful friendship between the lion and the mouse? Well, we enjoyed bringing this classic tale to you. And now it's time to say goodbye. But before we go, let me remind you to subscribe so you never miss out on our wonderful stories. We have many more exciting adventures waiting for you. And if you want to learn English step by step, visit our website to know more about our online English courses. Take care, stay curious, and keep learning. See you soon with a new story. Bye-bye.